In this problem, we're comparing magnesium chloride, one chemical, to chloride ion, a different chemical. So we need to generate a balanced chemical equation that relates the two, which is easy, simply recalling our dissociation reaction. So here's our dissociation reaction, and we see that each mole of magnesium chloride will release 1 mole of magnesium 2+ ions and 2 moles of magnesium chloride. So the next thing is we use our concentration in terms of molarity of chloride ion and relate it to magnesium chloride. Now we use our unit analysis. We have 0.30 moles of chloride ion per liter of solution. Okay, we translated molarity to moles per liter, and we're going to have to multiply it by some mole-to-mole ratio to get us to moles of magnesium chloride per liter of solution. All right, so we can use our balanced chemical equation to generate 2 separate conversion factors, one here and one here. The one we choose is the one that's going to give us the correct units. So we want to cancel out units of moles of chloride ion. So the conversion factor we want to choose is the one with moles of chloride ion in the denominator. All right, so we set up our conversion factor. We do the math that's indicated, which means that we're going to divide by 2, and the number we end up with is 0.15 moles of magnesium chloride per liter of solution.